Hello everyone, I'm Moses. Today I'll be presenting a fascinating article from the Hormones and Behavior Journal titled Facing Infant Cuteness by Hannah Spencer and colleagues. This research explores why we find babies cute and how our biology and psychology interact to shape our reactions to infant faces. We all instinctively know that babies are cute, but have you ever wondered why? And more importantly, why some people react more strongly than others? This study digs deep into that question by looking at baby schema features, the specific physical traits like big eyes and chubby cheeks that make a baby appear extra adorable. Researchers also examined how our motivation to care and our oxytocin sensitivity play a role in shaping the responses. The purpose of the study was to understand how individual differences, both psychological and biological, influence our reactions to cute infants. More specifically, the research asked, do people with stronger caregiving instincts react more to cute babies? And does the oxytocin system, often called the love hormone, help explain these responses? The lead author is Hannah Spencer, along with a team including Franca Parianen and Leisman, Renate Bisman, Aline Krejavanger, Susan Branch, Marco Box, and Peter Boss. They are all affiliated with institutions in the Netherlands and specialize in developmental neuroscience, social behavior, and genetics. This study included 81 women, all in their early 20s, importantly, all nulliparous, meaning they had never had children. The participants were chosen to isolate general caregiving motivation without the influence of actual parenting experience. They all lived in the Netherlands and were relatively similar in age and background. The participants were shown a series of infant faces that had been digitally modified. Some images had high baby schema features, meaning the babies looked very cute with big eyes and round faces. Other images were low in baby schema features, meaning that they looked less cute with more mature facial proportions. The study used multimodal approach to measure different types of reactions to the baby faces. Participants rated how cute the baby was and how much they felt like caring for it, and they used facial EMG that detected subtle muscle activity like smiling, even if it wasn't visible. EEG also captured the brain responses to the emotional and attention-related stimuli. Finally, they also took saliva samples to measure methylation levels in oxytocin-related genes. Let's pause here and talk about oxytocin. Oxytocin is a hormone often linked to love, bonding, and caregiving. In this study, researchers looked at gene methylation and biological marker that can influence how sensitive someone is to oxytocin. Lower methylation usually means greater oxytocin activity, which can make someone more responsive to baby cues. They found that the subjective data confirmed what we expect. Babies with higher baby schema features were rated as a significantly cuter baby, and participants felt more inclined to care for them. This wasn't surprising, but it helped validate the stimulus design. Next to the facial EMG data showed that participants had stronger smiling responses when looking at high cuteness faces, and importantly, this response was stronger in women who had lower OXTR gene methylation, meaning they were more sensitive to oxytocin. So the cuter the baby and the more biologically sensitive the woman, the more likely she was automatically to smile, even if she didn't realize it. One of the strengths of the study is that it included a fairly large group of women aged 19 to 25, which helps make the results more reliable. And also, since the study was published recently, it's still relevant and adds to current conversation in developmental psychology. One limitation of the study is that it didn't ask about the participants' mental health, which can affect hormone levels like oxytocin. Also, because some of the results were based on self-reported answers, there's a chance that participants gave socially acceptable responses instead of what they truly felt.